Today we will learn how to multiply trinomial by trinomial. And let's take this example, 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. And we are going to multiply it with 3x squared plus 4x plus 1. And you must have seen my videos on multiplying binomial by binomial. And we are going to use the same technique. So the first term, you take the first term and multiply with this first term. So 2x squared times 3x squared is 6x to the fourth. Last term, you multiply last term with the last term. So positive 1 times positive 1 is positive 1. Here we have to find out three middle terms. First middle term, middle term, and last middle term. So the first middle term, you take the first two terms and do rainbow multiplication with the first two terms. So 3x squared times 3x is 9x cubed, and 4x times 2x squared is 8x cubed, and 8x cubed plus 9x cubed is 17x cubed. Now let's find the last middle term. So you take the last two terms and multiply it with the last two terms. So 4x times 1 is 4x, and 3x times 1 is 3x. 4x plus 3x is 7x. And middle term, you're going to multiply all these three terms with these three terms, and we are going to draw a rainbow. 3x squared times 1, and then 3x times 4x, and 2x squared times 1. So this is 3x squared, 4 times 3 is 12, 12x squared, 2x squared times 1 is 2x squared. So 12 plus 3 is 15, 15 plus 2 is 17, positive 17x squared. Now let's see if our answer is correct by substituting 1. So here you substitute 1 in place of x. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Times, here you substitute 1. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So 6 times 8 is 48. You do the same thing with the answer. 6 plus 17 plus 17 plus 7 plus 1. We are going to substitute 1 over here also, since we have substituted 1 over here. So 17 plus 17 is 34. 34 plus 1 is 35. 35 plus 7 is 42. 42 plus 6 is 48. And here I'm using the single digit addition trick, which I have a video already on. So this is 48, this is 48. So answer is correct. So to tell you briefly, multiply trinomial with the trinomial. You take the first term of the first trinomial and the first term of the second trinomial, and that's how you got the first term. Last term, you take the last term with the last term, and that's why last term. Then the first middle term, you multiply the first two terms with the first two terms using the rainbow multiplication. Last middle term, you take the last two terms and multiply with the last two terms using the rainbow multiplication. And the middle term, you multiply all these three terms using the rainbow multiplication. And once you practice it, you'll become perfect and quick at it. Thank you for watching.